Hi people, today we're at Waverley Guest House in Inverness on Union Street. I've booked a standard single room and it comes with shared bathroom. I thought I'll try something different for you because I know some of you there don't mind shared bathrooms a lot, but I thought, yeah, okay. So let's take a look at the room, shall we? Right, as I said, single. Comes with towels. I presume that'd be your shower towel and towel. Let's have a look. These beds. Mattress protector, which is good. Yeah, clean. Bit stained. Right, so you've got bedside unit, quite stained. Drawers, nothing in them. And you got this as well. Nothing in there. And then baskets. And you've got bin there, kettle. Yeah, it's clean. Tea, coffee, sugar, milks, TV, that's works. Excuse my bag. Window's a bit cracked. Yeah, you can open it. Right, we've got some guest information there. Stainless steel garden. And then welcome Inverness and Loch Ness information. And then you've got your bag rack. Double socket there. And your fire exit action and wardrobe, which no handle. Got hangers, I've put stuff already, and there's a drawer there, but again no handle, so you can't even get in it. Floor looks reasonably clean as well. So let's check the curtain, shall we? Yeah, clean. Right, let's go and have a look at the bathroom and all. Oh, there's a chair there as well. So this is the bathroom. There's a shower. Shower head. Yeah, looks clean. And dryer. A light that don't work. And shavers thing. Soap, shelf, and plenty of toilet roll and toilet. And a bin there. Towels there. But yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. I just noticed there's actually 2 bathrooms along this corridor. So you've got this shower room too. Shower's clean there. So yeah. Toilet. Not flushed. Again. Some people can't put their rubbish in a bin. Bin there. Rubbish there. Bin. Rubbish. Why is it with some people? And toilet roll there. So yeah, that's one good thing, that at least there's 2 on the same floor. And the shavers plug there. Okay, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.